princess, like mermaid, Latina mermaid.
I'm like, I'll take that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at us being so healthy, getting ready with un tecito. Okay, so actually a hack that I do before I'm going out. Tata Harper has this hack that she calls the glow hack, where I do the regenerating cleanser and then I apply the regenerating mask, and in 3 minutes you basically get the effect of a facial.
Okay,
so
let's do it.
If you want to try it.
Yeah.
What do you put on?
I use the Outsets eye cream and then their prep serum, which is helpful.
I haven't tried the Outset. Is it good?
Yeah, it's gentle. Do you do weekly rituals?
Yeah, I do. So once a week, I do sort of like an everything shower, which basically is just like an enhanced wash day. So I use our papaya scalp scrub,
which is amazing.
You use this one too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one, and then I do a hair mask, I do a scrub on my face, I do a body scrub. Like, it's basically like
spa day at home.
It's like a full exfoliation at home ritual. That's also usually when I do our scalp oil, the aceite de mosca. So I do this once a week, and then I do the papaya scalp scrub.
Okay, you need.
I mean,
that's a body wash and a bubble bath.
No, but this one I have in my shower. I mean, yeah, girl. Like, no.
It's amazing.
What are your weekly rituals?
Every day I have a very simple routine. I'm not like a weekly ritual person. Like, I have to keep it simple, and the number one thing is sunscreen. So I use the sheer screen from Supergoop.
I love Supergoop. Yeah, I feel like the Supergoop sunscreens are the only ones that really feel like skincare.
Yeah.
What do you do for lips? My lips get so dry.
I do a lip mask at night.
You do a lip mask? Oh, I need to get on that. A brand that just launched at Sephora.
So good.
Obsessed.
Obsessed.
Iris and Romeo. This is like, I feel like it's really our kind of brand because it's like skincare.
Yeah.
With a little tint. Wait, you have it too?
Yeah.
The best. Okay. Concealer twins.
Okay, so do you use foundation or you use any kind of...
Yeah, I do like a tinted moisturizer. I don't like full coverage. Again, I really want my skin to like...
Shine through.
Do you use foundation?
No, I'll use Slip Tint from Say, and then I want it to have SPF.
My new favorite tinted moisturizer. Amicale, yay! Our fellow BIPOC founders at Sephora. So I get this dry patch ever since pregnancy. It's like, I think it's hormonal, and the only thing that's helping is this miracle balm from Drunk Elephant. Do you shop at Sephora?
Me?
Yeah?
Yeah.
For me, it's so dangerous because I go to Sephora so often to do like staff trainings and stuff.
Then you leave.
And I always leave with a bag. The last thing I got from Sephora, it was by their staff recommendation, is the Rare Beauty lip tint. I'm obsessed. But it's actually sort of like semi-glossy.
Oh, nice.
But it's more of like a stain versus like this super gloss.
Tell us your hair secrets.
My hair routine is actually super low maintenance because I'm more focused on like nourishment so that I can then not spend so much time styling. So what I do is that I put this braid on when my hair is damp, and then I unwrap it. Okay, so then when I get the braid out, you just see how like my waves are like enhanced and more controlled.
Princess, like mermaid, Latina mermaid.
I'm like, I'll take that.
So I do this, I like leave it damp, and then this is what I do. I put it in the little clippy bun, and then it'll just have wave. My hair is actually...
And wait, and that's how you get your wave?
Yeah.
This looks like a blowout.
Just dry your hair enough so that it's not so wet, especially winter. And then I just do this, and then I put loose bun, and then I get ready.
I love that. And what do you put on your bang?
I don't put any product on the bangs.
Wait, really? Because when I had bangs, I always had to do salt spray. Because the bang hair was like too soft.
Oh yeah.
So I needed like a little bit of texture. The Acai Style Refresher, this is finally getting into the Sephora stores with our end caps. It's like 1 part fragrance, which honestly, I don't love hair fragrances because they're alcohol based. And I'm like, why would you put alcohol on your hair? Yeah, so this I use instead of like a hair fragrance, and then it also helps to reshape. And it just provides a little gloss. Do you do blush? What do you do for makeup?
This is the Future Dew from Glossier. I'll just put
It's like a little highlighter effect. Iris and Romeo, they have this like multi-purpose stick. Like I use this on my lips, on my eyelids, and as a blush.
I mean, it has a great finish.
Yeah.
So tell me about eye makeup.
I'm actually not good with eye makeup. I just do like a little bit of leftover from the blush, like this, just to like add a little bit of like color. And then I do a little bit of mascara and that's it. Tell me about the inspiration behind maude. It's been so incredible to see what you built. Maude to me is almost like a movement.
It is a movement. We should be able to take care of our bodies the way we take care of our skin, the way we take care of our hair. So
yeah. What was your first product?
So the first products, we had like our essential line, and then we launched more into body, and we launched the candle and got into body wash. And this is good, right? That's good.
Go Selena Gomez, you know. I see why she's a bestseller.
Yes. Okay, tell me about your shiny hair.
Okay, so shiny hair, the hack is to apply the guava leave-in conditioner when it's damp.
Okay.
The true shine enhancer is the oil mist con aloe vera. Have you used this?
No.
Oh my god, you're gonna love this. So I do this as like the last step in my ends, and it's a micro mister hair oil.
I love this. Okay, wait, I don't even know your story. What was your aha moment?
With Ceremonia?
Yeah.
Every day I would straighten my hair, I would bleach it. It was bad. So one trigger for me is when people are like, oh, but you always had great hair. And I'm like, no, guys. I had to rebirth my childhood hair. And that's what inspired the creation of Ceremonia, because when I wanted to grow out my hair again and get, you know, hydrated, frizz-free hair, I realized that the hair aisle was packed with chemicals. So Ceremonia is really inspired by, you know, this approach to hair care that I got from my dad, and then powered by natural ingredients from Latin America. And from a mission standpoint, I just want to put Latin American culture on the world map.
Yeah.
I kept asking myself, I'm like, where are the world-class beauty brands that are created by Latinas?
And where are the ingredients? Because there's a lot of,
there is so much to
to
offer.
pull from. Yeah.
There's so much to pull from Latin America. We're big spenders in beauty, like as a community, yet have very little representation on the beauty shelves. So I just realized that if I want to be part of that change, I should, you know, lead that change. So that was the inspiration behind Ceremonia, and the result is a hair wellness brand that's very focused on nourishment.
Okay, and if this is a testimony,
thank you. I'm like,
where we came from.
I'm like, am I having a good hair day today? I hope so. Also, I love these hair clips.
I know, they're cute.
I have so much flyaways, like, so that's where the Pecky gel comes in. It's a non-sticky gel. Okay. Exactly. It's so nice, and it just like combs out all of those flyaways. And what I love about it is that you can actually brush through it. So I wanted to create products that are more buildable, like almost, you know, like in
treatments.
Yeah, and like in skincare, you know, you can do multiple serums, you can layer them. That's what I wanted for hair. Okay, so my last step.
Tell me.
Have you tried our
Yes,
fragrance?
I love it.
So this is, you know, gender fluid and Perfume de la Tierra.
And it's such a cute bottle. This is beautiful.
Thank you. I mean, are we done? I feel like you look stunning.
You look stunning.
Good for us.
Good for us.
So
cheers.
So cheers, and more bubble baths with your body wash.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it.